Good morning, children. Today we are going to start GK, page number 11, Tribes of the World. Okay, let's start. There are thousands of tribes in the world. Each tribe has its own language, customs, dress, and eating habits. A tribe is a group of people who live and work together in a shared geographical area. Yes, tribe is a group of people who live and work together in a shared geographical area. We should respect them and not disturb them. We should respect the tribes. In the first lesson, you have to name the countries where you will see most members of these tribes. Okay. In the first picture, you can see Maasai tribes. The Maasai are inhabiting northern, central, and southern Kenya and northern Tanzania. Okay. In the second picture, you can see the picture of Jarava tribes. The Jaravas are an indigenous people of Andaman. The Jaravas are designated scheduled tribe in India. They belongs to Andaman. Here you can see Maoris. Maoris are the indigenous people of mainland New Zealand. Aboriginal people inhabited the whole of Australia. Page number 12, Science Today. Complete these words. A computer-controlled object that does many of the jobs which humans can do is called a robot. Robot act as a substitute for a person doing things it is designed for. Second number, when we use a gadget or machine that does not need to have a wire connecting it to anything, we say it is wireless. When a program or an event is shown or played for people who are far away to view or listen to it, we say it is being broadcast. Fourth, films that have characters and things that look real but are not are called animated movies. Animated. Number 5, there are cameras in which you do not have to put any film. Pictures may be viewed instantly on a small inbuilt screen and deleted if not required. These pictures may then be transferred onto a computer or printed. These are called digital cameras. Number 5, digital. Put a tick in the box for the things that have already been made. A watch that can work properly 12,000 feet underwater, that is correct. Second, a mobile phone on which people can watch TV programs, that is also true. A camera connected to or built into your computer that make it possible to see the person you are speaking to far away, the sentence is true. A car that can drive itself move without a driver, that is also true. Yes, children, a car that can drive itself move without a driver, that is true. Now page number 13, about ourselves. Write true or false. First, a child's heart beats faster than an adult's. The sentence is true. Children 3 to 4 years old, 80 to 120 beats per minutes. And 5 to 6, 75 to 115 beats. So, child's heart beats faster than an adult's. Second number, we should not drink plenty of water. Is the sentence is true or false? The sentence is false. The amount of drinking water required to maintain good health, so we should drink plenty of water. Okay, so the sentence is wrong. We should drink plenty of water. Okay. Third, people start shrinking a little after they cross the age of 40. Children, you know the meaning of shrinking? Shrinking means becoming smaller in size of amount. What's the sentence here? People start shrinking a little after they cross the age of 40. So, the sentence is true. The left half of our brain controls the right side of the body. The left half of brain controls right side and right half of our brain controls the left side of the body. The sentence is correct. So, true. Children, you know our nerves that carry messages from brain to the other part of the body. The sentence is true. Number 5, true. Our nerves carry messages from the brain to the other part of the body. Number 6, most people have 12 pairs of ribs. Ribs make a protective cage around our lungs, liver and heart. There are usually 12 pairs of ribs. So, number 6, most people have 12 pairs of ribs. The sentence is correct. Okay. Now, we have 2 kidneys. But we can live even if only one of them works well. If one kidney works well, we can survive. So, the sentence is true. Number 8, a child who is weak and sickly because he or she does not eat the right kind of food is said to be undernourished. The sentence is true. We should eat right kind of food. Okay. Our strength and speed will be at its maximum when we are in our 20s. Yes, our strength and speed will be at its maximum when we are in our 20s. So, the sentence is true. The tongue is the only muscle that is not attached at both ends. Tongue is a muscular organ. Yes, you know, where does tongue end? The tongue is unique in that it is the only muscle that is connected to bone at both ends. So, the sentence is true. The tongue is the only muscle that is not attached at both ends. In an adult human body, there are about 45 liters of blood and about 5 liters of water. The sentence is false. In an adult human body, there are about 45 liters of water and 5 liters of blood. But what is written here? In an adult human body, there are about 45 liters of blood and about 5 liters of water. So, the sentence is wrong. Okay, children. Page number 15. Spot the odd one out. Children, we have to circle the odd one out in the group. We will discuss why it is different from the rest. First one, tabla, dholak, veena and mridangam. Veena is a stringed instrument and all the other are percussion instruments. Percussion means it is a musical instrument that is sounded by string. Okay. Second one, hammer, saw, screwdriver and nail. Hammer, saw and screwdriver are tools. And which is the odd one? Nail. Okay. Now third one, discus, hammer, shot put and relay. Discus, hammer and shot put are throwing events. So relay is the odd one. Fourth one, cheetah, jaguar, wolf and puma. Yes, cheetah, jaguar and puma belongs to the cat family. So the odd one is wolf. Fifth one, monitor, keyboard, mouse and TV remote. It's very easy. Monitor, keyboard and mouse are the parts of a computer. So TV remote is the odd one. Sixth one, 28, 49, 54, 63 and 84. You know 28, 49, 63 and 84 are the multiples of 7. So the odd one is 54. Number 7, rectangle, square, parallelogram and pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. The rest have 4 sides. So the odd one is pentagon. Orange, banana, watermelon, guava. Guava is the odd one because orange, banana and watermelon have to be peeled and then eaten. So guava is the odd one. Necklace, tie, sweater and muffler. The sweater is the odd one. Necklace, tie and muffler are worn around the neck. So the sweater is the odd one. Number 10, bazaar, supermarket, bank and shopping mall. We buy things from bazaar, supermarket and shopping mall. So the odd one is bank. 11 number, restaurant, grocery shop, snack bar and canteen. Restaurant, snack bar and canteen are eateries. So the grocery shop is the odd one. Professor, teacher, trainer or coach or engineer. Yes, professor, teacher and trainer, teachers. So the engineer is the odd one out. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the mathematical operation. So the equal to the last one is the odd one here. Okay. Lucknow, Mizoram, Assam, Karnataka and Punjab. Lucknow is a city and Mizoram, Assam, Karnataka and Punjab are states. So Lucknow is the odd one here. 15, phone call, email, letter and book. Phone call, email and letter, these are the means of communication. So the book is the odd one here. Okay. Page number 16, celebrating festivals. Yes, festivals are occasion of celebrations. Major festivals of India are National Festival, Religious Festival and Harvest Festival. Okay. Fill in the blanks using words from the box. Dash is a harvest festival celebrated by Sikhs. Yes, Baisakhi is the harvest festival celebrated by Sikh. It is celebrated in Punjab on the first day of the month of Baisakh. Pongal is a major festival in South India, especially in Tamil Nadu. It is a 4-day long harvest festival celebrated in honor of Indra, the rain god, Surya, the sun god, and the cow. Pongal is the major festival of Tamil Nadu. It is a harvest festival. On Ram Navami, people celebrate the birth of Lord Rama. Third one, on Ram Navami, people celebrate the birth of Lord Rama. Fourth one, Eid al-Fitr is celebrated by Muslims. Yes, Eid al-Fitr is celebrated by Muslims after fasting through the holy month of Ramzan. People offer namas or prayers. Okay. They celebrate Patel Navroz in August. Yes, Parsis celebrate Pateti Navroz in August. Sixth one, Raksha Bandhan is the day on which sister tie bands on their brother's wrist. Okay. Onam is celebrated in South India, especially in Kerala. Snake boat races are held during the celebration. You can see the picture here. Janmashtami is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Krishna, the 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Number 9. Lord Jesus Christ had his Lord's Supper with his disciples on Maundy Thursday, the day before Good Friday. Yes, the day before Good Friday. Okay. Children, Good Friday was the day that Jesus was arrested and put to death. Okay. Thank you. Take care.